Hi, my name is Eberechi Nduka-Dike. I'm co-founder at Hopebox. I'm an architect and I live in Lagos State, Nigeria, and I belong to Africa's rising middle class of 300 million people. About 70% of us do not have access to affordable and decent dwellings. That's a huge deficit of 51 million homes across the continent. At the same time, between 5 to 20% of luxury development in African urban centers lie unoccupied. So at Hopebox, our solution is the commodification of shelter, particularly for the critical segment of Africa's middle class. Our product is aimed at rapid manufacture. So we are manufacturing high performance cabins. We're also preferring affordability by flexible payment methods. And we're also innovating in how space is shared and how land is used. The image here is the image of our first prototype, the one-bedroom apartment. It's priced at $20,000. Our clients sit across the entire value chain of the real estate, and not just housing, but in education, hospitality, and the likes. We also offer custom build for medium to large projects, modular custom build. The market potential is put at $300 billion. There's an addressable market of 20 million across 4 African countries. Revenue generation is from direct online sales, custom modular build. We also want to do custom complementary products and services like food to enhance the entire experience. So we'll be partnering across all strata of the revenue model. Our key team members are seasoned professionals in construction, real estate, product development, finance. We seek $1.8 million and strategic partnerships in tech engineering and finance. This will enable us gain for market penetration and also for market dominance. Thank you very much.